in that case. Then we have the one aircraft case, that is the Indian Airlines versus Madhuri Chowdhury 2002 case, All India Reporter, Volume 3, 2991 page number. So in this case also the Supreme Court has clearly stated that the claim, the principles of the strict liability can be applicable, and the company is duty bound to pay the compensation to the innocent passengers as well as the persons who are there on the ground. If their property is damaged, if they got injured or death is occurred in such situation, under the principles of the strict liability, they are liable to get the adequate compensation from the airline concerned companies. And one more case, that is the M.K. Shah engineering case, also the Supreme Court again applied the principles of the strict liability and given adequate compensation to the victim family. So this is the very complexities of the various factors which involve in the air aviation law is concerned. And throughout the world, the domestic or international level, thousands of aircrafts are flying and across the globe, and if anything happens, the international aviation law is there, domestic law is there, then the tortious law is there. All these clubbed together, they can be given compensations. So this is a very complex issue, but we have provisions have been made for providing the adequate compensation to the victims. So lastly, I pay my tribute to all the families who lost their lives in the aircraft tragedy of the London bound, Gatwick bound aircraft debut.